Hey guys, let me show you how to do by yourself a repair on your wood floor at drive-on. So we have a problem here after the forklift, and what you're gonna use today is crack filler. They come in together, so all you have to do is clean it with wire brush. Then open it, take a little bit and from here, put it here, take a little bit, mix it, and I use this one. After you mix it, scrape like this, make it even, and that's it. It's simple, and it's just few bucks cost. Good luck and be careful. Always check your trailers after delivery and after pickup, if it's possible, of course. Sometimes they put the last pallet all the way to the door, but sometimes it's just on the front or in the middle, and you can have a visible, you can see the problems from the beginning. Thank you for watching.